AI can generate powerful outputs, but it does not think the way humans do. Understanding this difference is critical if you want to use it effectively. In this video, you will learn how AI actually works behind the scenes, why errors happen, and how to think more clearly when working with these systems. AI does not think or understand the way humans do. It works by predicting patterns based on the data it was trained on. That is why its responses can feel intelligent even though it is not reasoning in the same way a person would. Because AI does not truly understand, its outputs can sometimes be incorrect or misleading. It may present information confidently even when it is wrong. That is why verification is such an important part of using AI effectively. One of the biggest challenges with AI is hallucination. This is when the system generates information that is not accurate but sounds convincing. These errors can include made-up facts, incorrect details, or misleading explanations. There are ways to reduce errors when working with AI. You can ask for sources, cross-check important information, and use multiple prompts to compare responses. Breaking problems into smaller steps also improves accuracy. AI performs best when it receives clear guidance. Ambiguous prompts lead to vague results, while specific instructions improve output. Adding context and structure helps the model respond more accurately. Working effectively with AI requires thinking in systems. Inputs affect outputs, and the way you design your process influences the results you get. When you structure your approach, your thinking improves as well. AI can generate suggestions, but it cannot replace human judgment. It is still up to you to evaluate whether something is correct, useful, or appropriate. Experience and context play a key role in that decision. The quality of your questions directly affects the quality of the answers you receive. Asking better questions helps guide the AI toward more useful outputs. This often involves clarifying the problem and exploring different perspectives. Breaking problems into smaller steps makes them easier to solve. Instead of asking one large question, you can guide the AI through a sequence of smaller tasks. This improves clarity and accuracy. AI is especially useful for exploration. It can generate multiple ideas quickly, allowing you to compare options and discover new perspectives. This expands your creative thinking and helps you explore possibilities. It is important not to rely too heavily on AI. Accepting answers without questioning them can lead to mistakes. AI should be used as a tool to support your thinking, not replace it. AI can dramatically increase how quickly you produce work. However, speed does not guarantee accuracy. The goal is to balance speed with validation to ensure high-quality results. AI can be a powerful learning tool. You can ask it to explain concepts in different ways, test your understanding, and reinforce knowledge through practice. This makes learning more interactive. Feedback is essential when working with AI. By reviewing responses critically, you can identify what works and what does not. This helps you refine your approach and improve future results. AI can be seen as an extension of your thinking. It amplifies your ability to generate ideas, process information, and explore solutions. Used correctly, it enhances decision-making. While AI tools will continue to evolve, the ability to think clearly remains essential. Judgment, understanding, and critical thinking are what create real value when using AI. The most important skill when using AI is still thinking. AI can assist, suggest, and generate, but it cannot replace judgment. When you question outputs, break problems down, and guide the process, you get better results. AI becomes most powerful when it extends your thinking, not replaces it.